Rosalie stinkness have to make up. Them the word they have to make up. Stink and rank can't use for Rosalie. You have to make up word for stinkness of Rosalie. Rosalie stinkness in name all. Intimation, relentless. And them the word that you can't give a word to already there. You can't give a word to already there. Can come like you don't play them word there. You have to make up them sting this word, but you have to make up them the word there for she. Can't call him sour power. Sour too good for she. Cause that's me no chat. Uno feel like say Rosalie be good. Remember Rosalie and can't reach on you say no. For be around you saying her back, you know. Rosalie and big Rosalie can't put film and up in a fear batty hole and burst fear batty, you know. Go be it from morning, go all a fresh. Go all a fresh, go all a fresh. All who know be it from morning, go all a fresh.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat that you can see. On the screen, Akeem get like 5 to 10 stitches. People putting out the comment section where you think about that. Because you see, it might show some pictures with him and Rosalie, you know, in a KPH or wherever them there. You see, like, you know, a lot of people was rejoicing that, you know, these things happened to him, and a lot of people were saying these things is fake. You see what I say? So putting out the comment section where you think about the emergency room that he's in. You see what I say? But before we get back into what Khandy did a deal with Rosalie, Mr. Vegas do one video because ride or die, you know, chick, they say some things about bro got teeth in donations, and I'm never told like that, you know. You know what I mean? So let's hear what I go on for that to go on, and we proceed with the next.
So I just see a video a while ago with a girl, a like a wingworm looking girl, full of filter. I talk about the Prime Minister mother, P big. I call the woman big P woman. Let me tell you something, girl. Yeah? Time is the master. You soon find a man if you deal with the wicked, yeah? Yeah, man, time of the master. Remember karma, yeah? Yeah. And let me tell you something, dunce, girl. Go listen to the Prime Minister's statement about the generator them. I established business, the man alone, the generator them too. That means that they have to return it to the government. Yeah? So when we have a God forbid, another disaster, we can't have these generators to loan out again. Dunce, girl. Dunce, see that, girl. You load up on the internet and you're so fucking dunce. You tell the man about the man and I call the woman, and I call the woman. You know, hey, girl, you see you? The day I go come. So
Andrew Holness, when you took the oath to be a Prime Minister of Jamaica, you was to uphold it with the utmost integrity, fairness. I am not be blood clad fear now. Cause the people them donate the generators them to Jamaica to distribute among people that got affected. Andrew, you sit down there tell them say, oh, y'all go loan them. Motherfucker, when you loan somebody, that means they are to return it. So you are implying when time them up and running, they are to return it back to you. Pussy wall, them not belong to you. It's a people donated to Jamaica. You never got blood clot donate shop and go buy. You never got generator shop go buy and then you lend them. Move your blood clot. They not yours. Be the fuck fair. Fuck is wrong with you? You thief the money now you want thief generators too. And you go thief out your wife big hole and jump through you and stop it. You're not fair. You're too fucking wicked. Listen, go give the people them the generator, Andrew. It's nothing about blood clot. Loaning them nothing. It's for them. It's not for you. You have light and power and all these things and food and water in the House of Parliament. They don't got it. Stop playing, nigga. Go give them the generator. And tell them about your go loan. Loan out your mama. We're fucking birth a big stinking worthless and dishonesty motherfucker like you. Stop playing, nigga. Go give them the shit and stop talking about you loaning. How you feel loan? I feel the people I'm doing it. You see if you get out. But you go loan it so them figure you back again. Cause when you loan something, that means you expect it back. Or if you expect something, we're not feel. Are you buy? You spend none of the blood clot star money and buy. Those was donated. You fucking me want the rest I don't know. Andrew. Clout and Andrew Chingbang them come near me. Come near me. Me can't share for the whole of because my little mag and my blood clot bone them fertile and fragile. Not blood clot fertile look like someone want to breed. Fertile. So no can't near me. Fuck out of here. On those. No matter what the prime minister do or one of favorites do, you can never tell them say them wrong. You can never speak up. And is a fucking yes blood clot, man. I went time when I starve down there. I went time when I have the water and things now go right. And I still just can't tell on the prime minister he not moving right. Well, let me tell you no news flash on the prime minister a thief and he not move right. And he need to go give up the generators them that was donated. Andrew no buy them and I let you know. They was donated from different people. Andrew, move your dirty shine head, bald head, condom looking blood clot.
Yes, put in the comment section what you think about that. Is Vegas right or is the girl right? No, I don't understand nothing about, charities and these things, but I know when you donate to one cause, the charity uses for all of its causes. You see what I say? We'll just leave it like that. You see me? No, the next trending thing I see, I'm trending out to Jamaica after deal with Figure It Out. As you know, we revealed his boyfriend yesterday, Jessica, aka Jay, a one scammer. You see my say, him and Snow is cleaning cards and using Figure It Out and Akeem to do so. I'm not going to read all of these things because we had this live yesterday on TikTok. But as you can see on the screen, the FBI is involved and them is begging people not for you know what. You see what I say? I see a lot of people upset and don't know why a straight man like me will be doing these things. But if you don't understand, the DL thing in the black woman community, black man community, it's not a good look. That's why them rate people like Shabada and Batman and despise people like Figure It Out and Akeem. You see what I say? But let's get to the bagger and mix up that one really there. So for you,
your sick chat stomach, your suckled, your lick up batty. Your mouth supposed to, no, I wouldn't say your mouth supposed to stink. Your mouth stink. Count a bat in your mouth. Nyang in a batty hole. Nyang in a batty hole. Nyang in a batty hole in a blood clot, Khandy.
So, honestly, Khandy and Rosalie is back at it again. And honestly, where the arguments them is reaching. You see what I said? That is just a little clip of what Rosalie deal with. I'm going to hear a little bit more before you hear, what Khandy has to say about the ordeal. Rosalie's, arguments were kind of redundant because, the think mouth and all them things there, and clothes chasing and all of this stuff. But, yeah, let's take a listen.
Khandy, I bet that shop a Riri. Cause Riri still sell clothes with tag. You never look good yet. For your girl who have big body and shape good. Happy you pop up your wear, suck your mama, take me off. Them not look good for you, them not look good for you. You never look good yet. Me never see you give me and I can say, whoa, pure clothes. Pure old blood clad clothes. Pure old clothes. I said the last time I see her blood clad. I went to come rub a party that one black skirt, I want black marine. I said, we can't favor none of them, yeah. You never look good yet. Never. When you argue, we're going to take out the filter and show you a patch up body with black and bruise. You have bruises. And the only guy Mr. rub with bruises. When you argue, we're going to talk about neck black, take off the blood. You know beard in the corner after rub. People that rub don't like to beard. Because they not rub off bleaching cream. So we're not talking about beard. Leave beard aside. Remember when I bleach as when I beard. Cause cream, put up a cream, make you come. You know like beard. And when you talk about black neck, when you argue, you take off the filter. Make us see a real skin. We want to see a real skin. You messy body. We want to see a real skin for your young 24. Well, how much? Young age girl. You don't reach 25. You bust up a mucky, stinking blood clot, girl. You think me done with blood clot yet? You come at Airbnb, come see my nastiness. Me that save the shit for you mad people, them. Me that save the shit for your family member, them. Any nastiness will come at the year and become blood clot. See, me that same for you and your whole entire family. If your sister with the lean strokes mouth. I'm not argue with fickle diggle girl. Cause them a fickle, diggle, cat pan a ickle. I'm not argue with them. When you go jump out and move, go say moo. I'm not argue with you now. Who argue with you now?
And now we're here a little bit from Khandy.
Rosalie and can't go round here, so. If got you up in our body hole in the chat. We know this. It can't go nowhere around here, so the whole around here, so Rosalie stink. Highly and black. Worse, she don't live with nobody, so I know nobody can not help her beard. You worry about the wrong thing and come for me that people if you win war, if you win argument. I talk about oh me so good and me this and me that like so good or something when you have finger man in them batty. You have a batty finger. Remember finger you finger man in them batty, you know. A man finger you back in a year batty on the fuck no one another. I know me say that you come talk. So I prefer so good than finger next man them batty because Jakes don't look like him beard neither. Jakes don't look beardy Schneider. So I don't know what you mean by oh, me stuck with how much man this, how much man that when you have finger man in them batty hole. So could is a crime? Big fat bitch like you with your fat finger them a fuck GX in a film batty. And you want to argue with me? Girl, get a hold of yourself. Get a hold of yourself. No, she come talk it so she finger the man and be a batty business where she are going with. I talk about who and who fuck me. It's a nasty girl. You nasty. Don't come about me. My battery there 3 now. I'm going to down her until my battery dead. So no go and follow me. No, Jakes, I get this treble it, yes, but no, I just the truth and the facts we attack. We not go deny say him look better now. We know him look good now and him look better. But them time them, because let me tell you something, you see when nastiness a go on. Remember Jakes did have one big hole a sitting here up on him face, you know. And the whole heap of batty fuck him get from Rosalie, you know. And the amount of pussy she is selling her, probably she make the man have the something upon him face. You understand? Because she a sell pussy, she a catch the infection, the man a go get GX. So GX more than likely if you look a certain type of way, because I not go downplay GX like this either. I not go downplay him as she a get what she a get from outer road and I go get GX. Bad too bad. What Tiara say? Exactly. I know now I can make it look like say me a pussy. And me done now for a long time chat. Me did done. I don't see say me did done. Come over here, me a play me game and me a, you know, me a do me thing, bro. And she come back for me again. Be a bacteria. You talk about oh, if you did stink me that come say it. Then I want to come stop me from say Rosalie when you did stand up in my car, you did stink. You did stink. What for stop me from say it? Girl, you go like some your friend. More you no loyalty. Girl, go suck your mama. Chat. If me did this, so me should have come say. Then what you mean? What for stop me from say it? What for stop me from say it? Stinking girl, stink. Or what for stop me from say it? See me say there. What for stop me? See I'm like, oh, if me did think you come say it too. So what you mean? And you itch up under me no blood clot. You itch up under me. You take all your hand rest on my pussy and use it like a cigarette. So if me did think you come say it too. So what you mean? When I itch up over your life I talk about stinking girl, I'm a pussy this, I'm a pussy that, I'm a pussy come white. You not supposed to white. So what? What? You could have stopped me from saying stink. The fuck? Alright, Tiara, take out some girl out of my chat. Tiara, come in, me give you mad for now. I can take out some of them girl out of my chat. Cause not just as bad as Rosalie. Or not just as blood clot bad. Cause I go like my trouble girl. My trouble girl, me never trouble girl yet. Any girl me and them in a beef with, me not trouble them. None at all. I wanna know. Me not trouble nobody, brother. Me not trouble. Brother, me more for come here, come laugh and skin out and skin me teeth and go on like either. Me not trouble people. Me don't trouble nobody. Big woman like you. Rosalie, how much? About 30. She not about 30 what year? 32. Girl, relax, man. Relax, man. You're in your prime. Go and go pan some yacht and look some money and hype up it. Brother, time now. Right now, at the time, if you live soft girl life, you're 32. You feel live some soft life right now, baby girl. Me tell you. Nobody enough is softer than you right now. At the age now where woman a come out and a boss up them thing. Be a boss bitch when I reach them the age that you a boss bitch age. Some woman still a look it and still a do them thing, but you can't know so them still a hustle. You can't know cause them refine. Them fucking refine. You just, brother, relax man and refine yourself, baby girl. Refine yourself and put on some nice clothes, go on some yacht. Every day you sit down by your big huggy body. And a mildew out your hole. You just sit down and you can't move, because you barely can't move, And from point A to point A. Cause no, you can't reach B. You can't walk go B. You walk from point A to point A. You got mildew under that seat there. Feel your pussy the mildew pan that come in. Know you sweat hard. Cause your body a try to keep up the fat and try to keep up everything your heart up. You feel your heart pump more than everybody else's heart. Cause it have to try a keep up with wagwan. So me know you sweat hard. You will sit down and me say sit down under AC you sweat. Like dog. Relax. Relax. Up your game and relax, baby girl, and go live some soft life. You sit down and cuss who you want, kill your pitney them and you want do this and you want. Baby girl, come on. As much as me look like 40, me young, me have whole heap of time can do what me want to do. Why the bumbo clat you want to sit down and argue with me? We have everything. We have everything. Cause face can't fix. If you say me ugly and me look old, me can go juke up my face and take out the dent them out of my face and my body will only say dent, At least that. But you hard for fix. For your heart to palpitate. For your heart to palpitate, you have to watch what you are do. You can't walk too far. You can't walk too fast either. You have to mind your heart go crash. All you brave to sit down and cuss for me there with girl. You brave. You little and brave to sit down from morning till night for cuss with girl and you so have a heart condition. You're brave. Me, them could have big son of blood clot and sit down and argue with girl for me there. Every breath say ya. Chat. Powder. Chat. Me could never. You can literally hear the woman breathing. You can hear it. Imagine if she did a walk and she sit down from 7 to 7. And me are the next one too. Me I forgot repent car. Me don't know when me sit down and argue with you for me just as bad. It's like me hurry up your heart for give up on you. Cause me know me go cause I go come later. Mind your heart drink pop, relax.
Yeah, honestly, people, I don't think this is going to end good, because Khandy keep on referring to she's not an internet girl, X, Y, and Z. And you already see them slim girls that flip Rosalie already, so You know, Khandy them look like the type for set up Rosalie and put it on camera, so Rosalie ain't gonna have to hire more security because I'm what bad, you know. But anyway, people, we're not gonna like no this longer, so do the right thing and like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest one. Bless.